Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to paper trade on Robinhood. Paper trading is a simulated trading experience that allows you to practice buying and selling stocks with fake money. This is an excellent way to test your investment strategies and get familiar with the platform without risking any real money. First, you need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account and log in. If you already have a Robinhood account, you can skip this step. Next, navigate to the search bar and type in the stock you want to paper trade. For example, let's say you want to paper trade Apple stocks. Type in AAPL and select the stock from the search results. Now, click on the trade button and select buy or sell. Since you are paper trading, you won't be using real money, so don't worry about the funds. Choose the number of shares you want to buy or sell and confirm the trade. To track your paper trades, go to the Portfolio tab. Here, you can see all your open positions, including the stocks you have bought or sold. You can also see the profit or loss of each trade. One of the key benefits of paper trading on Robinhood is that it allows you to test different investment strategies. For example, you can try out a day trading strategy or a long-term investing approach. You can also experiment with different risk management techniques, such as stop-loss orders or position sizing. To get the most out of paper trading on Robinhood, it's essential to set clear goals and track your progress. Set a target profit or loss and try to achieve it. You can also use the app's analytics tools to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. In addition to paper trading, Robinhood also offers a range of educational resources to help you improve your trading skills. These include articles, videos, and webinars on various topics, such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and risk management. In conclusion, paper trading on Robinhood is a great way to practice trading with fake money and test your investment strategies. By following these steps and using the app's features, you can improve your trading skills and become a more confident investor. Remember to set clear goals, track your progress, and use the app's educational resources to get the most out of paper trading on Robinhood.